Hey y'all, this is Dean. I'm tech at Horne Auto Center, the Chevy store that saves you more. Today we're going to talk a little bit about tires, the maintenance and the importance of, and a few signs and things that you can read just from looking at your tires and paying attention to them. Since tires last for about 5 years, depending on how much driving you do each day, they tend to be forgotten. But we are here to tell you that your tires are one of the most important aspects on your vehicle. If something goes wrong with your tires, it can have detrimental cost to you and your family. Your tires have deep grooves in them that help them evacuate water, snow and ice, rocks, sand, and other debris so that they can grip to the road. This groove pattern is called your tread. As the tread begins to wear down, it decreases the tire's ability to remove debris and causes the tire to lose grip with the road. There is still hope to ensure your safety on the road. Tires now come equipped with a bar system that becomes visible as your tires wear down. When the bars become flush with the tire tread, you know that your tires are bald and you must change them as soon as possible. You can also bring your tires to Horne Auto Center and we can check your tire tread with a tread depth gauge that will give us an accurate reading on your tire wear. We will give you a recommendation on when you should consider replacing your tires. Remember that investing in new tires is an investment towards you and your family's safety. And your safety is our first priority. Thank you for watching. I'm Dean, Master Tech at Horne Chevrolet, the Chevy store that saves you more. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and have a great day.